Welcome to Foxtecc. If the ear speaker on your iPhone isn't working, there could be a few reasons for it. It might be a software issue, something blocking the sound, or an actual hardware failure. Let's go through the steps to figure out what's causing the problem and see if we can fix it. First, make sure your volume is turned up. Then try a simple test to check if both speakers are working. Search for a stereo sound speaker test video on YouTube. These play sound alternately through the left and right channels. On an iPhone, the left channel plays through the ear speaker and the right channel plays through the bottom speaker. If you can hear the right side but not the left, then your ear speaker isn't working properly. If the ear speaker seems to be completely silent, the next thing to check is the audio balance. Go to Settings on Accessibility, Audio Visual, and look for the Balance slider. This setting controls whether audio is split evenly between both speakers. The left side is for the ear speaker and the right side is for the bottom speaker. If the slider is all the way to one side, it could be muting the ear speaker entirely. Set it back to the middle so that both speakers work normally. Another possibility is that something is physically blocking the ear speaker. Over time, dust and debris can build up in the speaker grill, making the sound weaker or completely muffled. Try gently brushing the speaker grill with a soft brush or using compressed air to clear out any dirt. Be careful not to push anything further inside. If the speaker was clogged, cleaning it might instantly fix the issue. If it still doesn't work, a software glitch could be causing the problem. Restarting your iPhone is a simple way to clear out any temporary issues that might be affecting the ear speaker. Just turn it off and back on, then test the speaker again. If none of these solutions worked, it's likely a hardware issue. The ear speaker might be damaged, and in that case, the only real fix is to have it repaired. You can contact Apple support or take it to an authorized repair shop to get it checked out. That's how you can troubleshoot and possibly fix the ear speaker on your iPhone. Let me know in the comments if any of these steps helped. And if you found this useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Foxtecc for more iPhone fixes. Thanks for watching and see you later.